Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School welcomes you all to our digital school. I am your new art teacher, Tasneem. I will teach you arts. So let's get ready with your drawing book, pencil and crayons. Today we will learn to draw and color arrangement of shapes. You children must be knowing these shapes: triangle, square, rectangle and circle. So, look around for things of square shape such as clock, a circle, a watermelon, a triangle, an ice cream cone. Now, let us start with a drawing in your art book and any of the drawing book and color. So kids, let's begin. Place your pencil on the dotted lines and finish your shape as shown in your art book. Once you receive your art book from school. For now, practice in any rough book or old drawing book. Please follow my video and make any shapes one behind the other. You can make any three shapes. I have made a triangle and then a square and a circle. You can make the whole shapes and erase the unwanted lines. You can use your scale to make these shapes and a circle or a round plate to make a circle. Just finish your drawing. Once your drawing is finished, now take your green color crayon and we'll start with the base first. We will start with the edges and then the inner part of the base. We will do the edges first as it is shown. Please follow the video as I am doing it. First I am coloring the edges. And with the upward and downward motion of my hand, I will color the inner part. First the edges and upward and downward motion and color the entire inner part of the green color. Just follow the video and you can understand it very well. You have to move the hand while coloring upward and downward motion. Now the second base color is dark yellow, or you can say yellow ochre. The same way I will color the edges first, so that my color won't smudge into the color which is next to it. In upward and downward motion, I will color the dark yellow part and I will move my hand simultaneously while coloring upward downward motion. Take a blue color for the circle. A blue color for the circle and start with the edges first. I am the edges is of the circle, which the square and the triangle is covering. Now, by left and right motion, color the inner part of the circle. Please be careful that you don't smudge the blue color into the yellow color and the green color. You should enjoy doing this coloring. Please be careful, children, while coloring, that your one color does not mix with the color next to it. Now for square, we will take lemon yellow color and color the edges first. And the same way, with left-right motion, we will finish the entire shape. Follow the video and you will understand it very well. Now the front part we will do at the last, which is a triangle. First I will color the triangle edges. In one stroke of this triangle has to be colored in one stroke. So we have to do in a slanting motion. Finish the edges of the triangle first, and in a slanting motion, move your hand lightly. Do not press the crayons very hard. Children, I hope you enjoyed coloring these shapes. Now on the next page, complete the picture same way when you are in school. Just follow my videos and carefully see this image in the right, which is in your book. For now, you can just review my video. Now we have completed the entire picture. This is the final result we will get. So please be careful that you do not smudge on one another. Thank you. Well done. Now finish all the drawing with the color work. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for our channel for more videos. Thank you.